In front of me is OPPO A94 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode on this device. Firstly, go into settings and tap on home screen, lock screen and always on display. Then you need to click on home screen mode and scroll down. Following that, click on simple mode, choose apply and click on switch in the pop-up. Then wait. As you can see, easy mode is now on. If you wish to go back into the standard one, you need to access the same settings and click on exit simple mode. Lastly, tap on exit in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!